For the nostrils, you'll use your white yarn, 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and we will start with a magic circle. So wrap the yarn around your fingers, reach through, bring up your loop, and then you're going to chain 1 to secure your yarn and do 6 single crochet into this magic circle. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you'll just take that tail, give it a pull, and to finish, you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet you did. So just do a slip stitch and tie off. Leave a long enough tail for sewing it onto the muzzle. And then you'll just pull that through. And then we'll take this beginning tail and weave it in. So just run it under a couple of the stitches. Pull nice and tight, and then you can snip off the excess. And now it is ready to attach to the muzzle, and you want to make 2 of these. To attach the nostrils, you'll thread your yarn needle, and I've already got one attached, and so we'll line it up. We're kind of centering it, going with that center part of the muzzle and then off to the sides, not all the way to the edges. And then you're just going to take your yarn needle under a stitch in the muzzle and then up through a stitch in the nostril. Under a stitch in the muzzle, up through a stitch in the muzzle. And you're going to just do this all the way around. So through the muzzle, and then back up through the nostril, under a stitch in the muzzle, up through a stitch in the nostril, and you'll just do that all the way until you get back to where you started. Now just a couple more stitches. And now I'm back to where I started. So I'm just going to go under a stitch in the muzzle. Don't pull it all the way through, because then you're going to take your needle and go through that loop, then pull to tighten up your knot. And then just take the needle and go through the muzzle, and that will hide your tail. You cut off the excess, and then the tail is hidden. So now there's that part of the nostrils, and then we're going to create a border around each one of these, just like we did with the eyes. To make the border around the nostril, you're going to insert your hook under a stitch in the muzzle right up against the white part. Bring your yarn to make a loop. And you're going to slip stitch to secure. And then don't worry about this tail, because we'll weave that in when we're done. And then you're going to go to the next stitch in the muzzle and do a single crochet. And you're going to do that all the way around the nostril. So go to the next stitch, do a single crochet, And then go to the next stitch and single crochet. And you're going to continue to do that all the way around, trying to keep up against the white part as much as possible. And here I've gone all the way around. And to finish, we're just going to slip stitch into that first single crochet and tie off. And then cut the yarn. And to make sure that this beginning tail stays nice and secure, we're just going to tie a knot. And then you'll take your yarn needle and go ahead and put both of the tails through the yarn needle. And then just take those ends and hide them inside the muzzle. So just poke your needle through and then cut off the excess. And there are the nostrils on the muzzle. For the teeth, you'll be needing your white yarn, your 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and we're going to start with a chain 3. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. So wrap your yarn around your fingers, reach through, bring up your loop, and then you're going to pull on both of those. That tightens up that knot. And then just pull on the working yarn to tighten up your loop. And now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll be only working one round. So we're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now we're going to do 3 single crochet into the next stitch. So there's 1. Go back into that same stitch. There's 2. And again into the same stitch. That makes 3. Now we'll do, working on the other side of the chain, we'll do 1 single crochet. And then on the very last stitch, you'll do 2 single crochet into that final stitch. So there's 1, go back into the same stitch, and 2. And now you'll just slip stitch into that very first single crochet that you did and tie off. And that is the tooth. Cut your yarn, leave it a tail for sewing. And then we'll grab this beginning tail here and weave it in. And if you have any gaps or holes, you can use this beginning tail to kind of close those up. So just kind of weave it through under a few of the stitches. Tighten up those holes. And then that takes care of the holes that we're showing. So now we'll just cut off the excess yarn. And we are ready to attach the teeth. So make 2 of these. To attach the teeth, you'll thread your yarn needle, and I've got one attached already. And so we're just coming up 1, 2, 3, about 4 rows from where we attached it to the muzzle to the head. And so you'll just take your yarn needle and you're just going to sew it on. Put about 2 fingers width apart and just sew it onto that muzzle. and you're just sewing this one edge here. You're not sewing all the way around. Just go under a few of the stitches just to make sure you get it on there nice and secure. Making sure to go both through the muzzle and the top of the tooth. And there's no real pattern to sewing it on. You just keep sewing until you feel like you've got it nice and secure. And do a quick check before tying off. That looks good. Well, then I'm going to go under, stitch in the muzzle, and then take the yarn needle through the loop and give it a pull to tighten up the knot. And then you'll just take that yarn needle and poke the tail through the muzzle. And with the teeth, I like to go through a couple of times, so go back in through that same stitch that I just came out of. Poke it through, go through one more time. That just wraps that tail around the stuffing a little bit, makes it a little more secure. And then you just cut off your excess, and the tail will be hidden inside the muzzle. And there we go. We have added the teeth.